Good morning friends, today it's 23rd of July 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday the index opened with a positive note and it made intraday high of 25,200 before slipping down back to 25,070 futures levels. The closing was at around 25,093. It was marginally in red, down minus 0.13%. As mentioned yesterday, we have seen a bounce back from the lows of 24,920 odd levels on Monday, and followed by a follow-up towards 25,200 mark. The market, as of now, as per the price study, the index remains range to up and with buy on dip outlook over and above 25,000 mark, and we are expecting that the index should accelerate up towards the highs of 25,250 followed by the highs of 25,400 odd levels in the best case scenario in the short term time frame. Positionally, 25,400 Nifty spot, 25,400 500 zone remains the first strong pullback resistance zone. So the index need to sustain above that zone in order to trigger short covering and fresh serious buying interest. Till then, this is just looked as a pullback as of now, and within that pullback one need to be cautiously positive over the market. So the pullback will be nullified only once Nifty sustains and slips below 25,000 mark on the spot levels. For next few trading sessions and for even today, we are expecting that the market can be looked, the Nifty can be looked for buying on dips, expecting high levels. As per weekly UI data for 24th of July expiry, the maximum call buildup is at around 25,100 and 25,200 strikes, while the maximum put buildup is at 25,000 and 25,100 strikes. So thus indicating 25,000 strike as a tug of war, over and above which the bias should remain range to up. Nifty futures intraday buying levels are 25,020 and 24,920 with a stop of 50 odd points, while the sell levels are 25,230 or 25,330, maintaining strict stops of 50 odd points. Bank Nifty 2 slipped down from intraday highs of 57,200 to the lows of 56,750 before ending the session at 56,804 levels. It was down minus 0.31%. As per the price study, the bias remains upside cap till the time Bank Nifty spot is trading below 57,200, 57,500 mark. But on the back of the positive impulsive up move which was witnessed on Monday, short-term bias as per the charts can be buy on dip over and above 56,200, 56,000 zone. So basically the Bank Nifty can consolidate within a range with a slightly positive outlook over and above 56,200, 56,000 zone, but at the same time it need to sustain over and above 57,200, 57,500 zone on a daily or weekly closing basis in order to trigger serious buying interest come short covering. Till then the bias remains range with a slightly positive outlook. For the day traders, Bank Nifty futures 56,550 and 56,250 can be looked at for buying, maintaining stop of 100 odd points, while sell on rise can be looked at around 57,380 and 57,650, keeping a stop of 100 odd points. Net both Nifty and Bank Nifty can consolidate with a range to positive outlook for next few trading sessions. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.